Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to record your MacBook screen, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and give it a like, it really helps. Let's get started. First you have to go to the top right corner and click on this magnifying glass. Now search for QuickTime Player. After that you have to right click on its icon and select this new screen recording. It will open a bunch of options. You have to select this one, record entire screen, and from the option you can select the microphone. If you are using any external microphone, you can select it from here. Once it's selected, click on record. Now the recording is start. Let me change it a few tabs so you can see. After that, click this option to stop the recording. You can check your recording here, and to export this recording you have to click on file and export as, and here you can select the quality of the video. I will go with 1080p. You can name it. I will save it on desktop. It will take less time as it is a small video, but if you have a large file it will take some time. So as you can see, the file is saved on the desktop. Now let me play it for you. So that's it guys, you now know how to screen record your Mac with just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and do subscribe for more MacBook tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.